Welcome back, guys. We've got a digger on the job. We're back on the, can you remember this big build? We're back on this job and we've literally spent a couple of days, 2 days, digging out flagging down here. And then levelling it all the way back for this. So let's have a quick look. So this is where we're going to have flags. We're going to continue with them down there. We've dug this like 100mm down for hardcore, and it goes all the way back there and round there. There's going to be a hell of a lot of flagging. We've got a porch to build there at some point, and then what we did is we dragged it all the way back here and flattened this out. We still might have to go down, and then what we're going to do is we're going to make this drive bigger. This drive will be eventually getting done, and then see we spray painted a line that goes all the way around there, and then we're gonna have like a ramp in there, and Tim's just doing edges. I've got digger getting this out, so the aim is, see how high it is at the minute, so we're gonna have to we're probably gonna go from that step somewhere around that height, probably top of this pillar, and we sort of want it leveled at that height, and we're gonna build like a curved wall using all stone that we've got left. We've got pile there, pile at back of there, some more there, some raw right back, so we don't know if we're going to need some more of that, but who knows. So this is the aim. So we're going to do this curve, and we need to dig a concrete channel out. I'm going to have to put some blocks at back, stone at front. So we're just prepping for this at the minute. We're probably going to be doing this job, that job, and like we don't know what we're going to do first. So it's just going to be like a big continuous job. Right, let's get it digger, we'll get this leveled out, and we'll see what we're going to do next. Wait for that depth, you reckon?
Yeah.
Another day, another dollar. We got this in yesterday. We're about 9 inches from us tarmac, so it gives us 9 inch. We're only having wall's going to be same height as this pillar, probably to the top, and then it's going to have to slope down because I got a level on that. It don't look like a lot, but we leveled it from that side to that, and it was 1400 high, so we can't have that. So we're going to have to curve the wall and slant the wall downwards. So bit of a challenge, made it tricky for the sons, but that's how it's going to go because it just looks silly here. If we did it level, it'd be too much. Tim's just digging this. I stopped digging here with digger because we've got that's a central heating pipe that goes through there. Does all underfloor heating system and hot water and everything, and radiators. Oh no, it don't do hot water. It does the underfloor heating and the radiators at the top, and then that goes all the way to, that's that channel we dug out, goes all the way to that garage, and there's a big wood burner in there, like a pellet burning machine. So just taking this out, we've rinked concrete frame up and said they can come today about dinner time, so they should be here soon, or even earlier. And then on this side we're going to have a ramp that's going to go this is going to be flagged, and then it'll, I think we're going to put a nice curve on it, sweep it round, and then up back. So I need to dig a ramp here. I might have to put some blocks in to hold this soil back. I'll decide that later. Anyway, and then it's going to go and join the flagging up there, and we are really high on this. I'm thinking once we get rid of this digger, we'll get this wall up and everything, and then when we're doing hardcore and stuff, I might get a little skid loader, get it all dumped in, and we'll just be able to drive skid up instead of ordering a digger and a dump truck. So we might try that, I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Right, I'm going to start with this this ramp. Right, hard work. It's a warm one today. Tim's towing a bit. I've got this sorted. Well, sort of sorted. I've got a nice fall in it. I think this ramp's a clever idea really, because if you want to get like wheelbarrows up to the garden or whatever, or your mower or something like that, you can just put it up ramp. It's a lot better than steps. So let's see what I've got from there today. I were hoping for 12, so I'm just over 12 there. I might take it to like there. That's like 13. What have I got there? So we I've got 1.4. I've got saying 1.4. I'm thinking 1.4 is probably good, because if I need to put a retainer in there, just like 100mm or something each side, that'll still give me 1200. I think 1200 is just about right for fitting things in, whatever you need really. I mean, how wide are these diggers? See, diggers are only a metre, and they're quite wide, so you should be able to get some good stuff up there. Right, I think seem to be going that way too much at the minute, so I want to be aiming, step back a bit. Yeah, I'm just veering off. I need to straighten up and go on to this other paving. So I'll put a line on and some spray paint so I know where I'm going, and we'll dig this bit. Right, I'll just put this on. So just make 2 loops like that, one over other. Put it on. So I'm just going to measure it off wall and see what that looks like. Wall's not level with house, but 74 inch. But I think that'll look best running across the same with wall, and then it might go a bit, there might be some cuts here to get it level, but we're just trying to make it look whatever looks best really. Now that looks pretty good to me. That looks quite straight from down here, doesn't it? Put a bit of spray on. Is that marking it? sort of. Yeah, that'll do. Right, I've just done that, so that'll go into this bit, and that'll get joined onto all this paving here. So it looks alright, does that, I think? Well, we're going to be levelling it out with the hardcore, that's why I've dug a channel out. Then this, I don't think it's too steep, it's not too bad. Yeah, that'll do. Hopefully concrete will be here in a minute. They must not be busy, these concrete people, at the minute, because he's going to get it out to us pretty sharpish and we've only just rang him, so must not have that much on. So I just got 1.5 cube for this. I measured it at 9-inch all the way along and it came to 1.7, so I've just got them for 1.5. I'll just pull it back if we need to. I think that'll be fine though. We'll see how far it goes when he comes. Concrete's here. Should be alright there, Mark. Well, Mark's gonna go over it. It's alright, isn't it? It's alright, that. So that's it, concrete's in. Yeah, I ordered short, so I ordered 1.5, but he had a load on board, so he was like, oh, I'll just fill it to what you want, just tell me when to stop and I'll take it back to the yard. So we just filled it to the top. We're going to have it 1 inch down, but yeah, we're probably 10-inch deep there. So that is that, cool. I'm just going to go up there now and finish that off. So this is a mound. This is when we took when we built that. What else did we do? Well, carport, I think, round there. We dumped it all here, so we're just going to level level this out and then get rid of all weeds and that, and just build this up a bit. This is the flood bank for river. It comes right up to here in the winter time. That's the extension that we built. It's looking good. It looks beautiful in summer. Really impressed with that. It's probably the biggest build we've done on the zone. You know, we aren't working on sites and that. Yeah, really nice. It's gonna look smart once all paving and everything's done. Right, that's it. I'm gonna crack on with this, and we'll get some blocks ordered. Get some blocks ordered, and then we'll probably start that curve. Either that, or we're gonna order. Well, we're gonna try and order a skid and get all hardcore in. Whichever we could get ordered first, really. But I could do with building that wall up first, at least block work, and then when we get skid or whatever we're gonna do to level it out, we can just level it while we've got the machine in. Then we're not getting it backwards and forwards. It's better to just do it in one. So we're probably gonna build the wall up first, but who knows? We'll see. Catch you in the next one. See you later.